Welcome to the next section of the course. I'm super excited about the next batch of lessons because we're going to start using React in a more real-world practical context. Previously, we were introducing the fundamentals of React, which of course led to some more contrived examples that simplified things down to the core essentials. But now we're going to start learning more about advanced component ideas by solving real-world problems. So what are we going to be building in this section? We're going to be building a reusable React component with a vertical box design. This is often called a card in design terms. And this design is inspired by the taco cards on tacobell.com. Taco Bell, of course, is a delicious global fast food restaurant. And if you go to the website and you go to their menu page, here is what you will see. It's a bunch of food items, and each food item has its own card, right? And you'll notice that the cards have a similar look and feel. They all have an image up top, they have a title, they have two buttons for adding the food item to your order or customizing it. And whenever you see that reusability, the first thought that should come to mind is, well, that is an excellent candidate to be a component. Now, at the same time, as much as we want reusability, you'll notice that these taco cards are all a little bit different. They're each going to have a different image at the very top. They're going to have a different title for the food item. They're going to have a different price, a different number of calories. So there is similarity, but there's also differences. And in this section, we're going to learn how we can customize our React components to enable that kind of flexibility. Our implementation will eventually take us in the direction of multiple components, but we'll let that progress naturally, organically. So this is what we'll be building throughout the following sections. I'm super excited to get started, and I will see you in the next lesson.